Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Play Protect certification status on Google Play. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, this one. Click on it, and then in here you just click on the profile icon at the top. And then in here you just click on Play Protect. And under Play Protect, this is the application with certification status. If your device is a Play Protect certificate, Google doesn't have a record of the Android compatibility test result. Keep in mind that devices that aren't Play Protect certificates might not be rescued, and then devices that aren't Play Protect certificates may not get Android system update or apps update, and then Google apps on devices that aren't Play Protect certificates aren't licensed and might not be real Google apps, and then apps then featured on device that aren't Play Protect certificates and may not work correctly. And then the last one, data on device that aren't Play Protect certificate may not back up securely. And then that's how to check your Play Protect certification status. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.